And that's what ends up happening is everybody's like, well, I'm gonna learn this first, and then once I have it mastered, I'm gonna use it with leads. It doesn't work like that. Like, this is not the UFC. No physical harm will come to you. Just start, be like, right now I'm gonna work on, like, by the way, the thing that I'm working, like with jiu-jitsu, if you talk to good jiu-jitsu people, you'll be like, what are you working on? And they'll be like, I got a mounted triangle I'm trying to work on. And they work on one thing at a time. My thing that I'm working on right now, and I'm getting pretty good at it, is Chelsea, Matt Easton, founder at Easton University, as promised, calling to see if it makes sense to get your people on the sales coaching so we can take top line revenue from 5.7 to 9.2. I'm working on eliminating the, hey, Chelsea, Matt Easton, because the hey sounds like they're friends. If I just say Chelsea, and you guys are like, dude, he's crazy. I have seen a 17% improvement in my callbacks, improvement in them doing things when I remove the hey. And I ain't even saying, how's it going? Hey, you're losing deals right now, and you don't even know why. And that should scare you. I get it. You think you're saying the right things. You think you're doing everything by the book, but deals are slipping through your fingers. Why? Because nobody ever taught you the right way to sell. I'm Matt Easton, and at Easton University, I'll show you exactly what to say, exactly what to do, and exactly how to close more deals fast. You're gonna get access to the Easton University Learning Portal. It's gonna show you everything you need to know to double your sales within 30 days. But it doesn't stop there. I'm gonna work with you live twice a week to make sure you hit your goals. I'm gonna be there with you every single step of the way. Stop guessing and start closing. Click the link here and take control of your sales career right now.